What is an API? It can be tricky to explain. So today I'm going to use a simple analogy, a global restaurant menu, to clarify the concept. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a clear set of rules that programs or services follow to exchange data with each other. For instance, imagine a website that provides travel information. If a user says, "Show me travel details," without an API, the request is too vague and unstructured. No matter where you are in the world, every restaurant has a menu. We look at it to order items like pizza or burgers. We don't need to hack the kitchen or steal the chef's recipe. An API works like that menu. It says, if you send a GET request to this URL, we'll give you specific travel data. The rules, or the menu, are published so developers or users can easily understand them. Whenever you type a URL into your browser, it sends a GET request to a server, which then returns data. That is essentially an API call in action. We do this every day without realizing that we're constantly using APIs in the process. Consider a global company offering a translation API service. They might allow a certain number of characters to be translated for free, then charge for extra usage. This approach of providing a useful function through an API and monetizing it is very common worldwide. It's like having a premium item on the restaurant menu that requires an additional fee. Operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux all provide their own APIs. To implement features like delete a file or display a notification, you'll call the operating system's API. Databases also have APIs that let you fetch data easily without having to build everything from scratch. In essence, an API is a contract that says, if you request data or functions in this specific way, I'll provide them for you. This makes collaboration between different programs much smoother, and it also benefits the end users, who can access various services with just a few clicks. If the concept of an API seemed too abstract, I hope the global restaurant menu analogy helps you see how it works. If you have more questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you found this content helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe channel and click like. That makes you smart.